September 27th and 28th at the Calgary Grandstand is where this smashing event took place.
Pretty awesome, so looking forward to seeing some cars get beat.
It's Canada's largest monster truck grand finale, featuring 14 of the best monster trucks named, all competing in the 2008 Stampede Toyota Monster Madness World Finals.
And that's a two-day World Finals. They do racing and freestyle both days, and then whoever accumulates the points in the top three throughout those becomes the Monster Madness World Champion for 2008.
Get the horsepower in your blood, you can get it out.
Drivers of the monster trucks competed for the Freestyle Championship, as well as for the Monster Racing Championship.
We were all pretty excited to be qualified to get in here.
Not only did the show feature crunching monster trucks, they also had extreme quad racing, featuring the Battle of Alberta with Team Edmonton and Calgary competing. Ever seen trucks and SUVs this tough? That's what Tough Trucks was all about. And for the kiddies, real-life, fire-breathing Transformers. And the excitement doesn't end there.
Crazy rush when you're that high up in the air and you're flying off the back of your bike with no hands, looking down at the pavement.
Freestyle motocross kept the crowd cheering, featuring Medicine Hats, Dylan McMorrin, two-time Canadian champ Regan Sieg, and Metal Militia member Keith Sayers. With a crowd of over 30,000 people, this was one of Edge Motorsport's biggest events, with drivers Bill Payne of Rockstar taking home the Freestyle Championship trophy. And driver John Zimmer of Shock Therapy winning the Monster Racing World Championship. Organizers of the World Finals hope to have the Monster Madness event relived in Calgary next year.
Why are they baking this? Mash up stuff and they just